Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I love making DIY art, home decor and lifestyle videos, and in today's video I'm sharing 3 very easy and beautiful summer inspired miniature DIY ideas that are really adorable. So let's begin. For the first DIY, I created a beautiful watermelon geode candle holder, and for that I took some air dry clay and molded it into a smooth dough, and putting little pressure onto the center I made it into a candle holder. And you can see how I'm just pushing the entire contents inside and just smoothing out the outer edges. I kept my fingers slightly wet so that the clay is easy and smooth to shape, and then slowly I started making the desired space that I needed for the candle. I just inserted a small tea light candle so that I know that this is the exact size I want for my candle holder, and again with a wet hand I smooth out all the outer edges. Then I cut a small part of the clay with the help of scissors, and then in this place I started filling it with Epsom salt crystals to make it look like geode crystals. I placed the crystals in the gap with the help of hot glue, and with the help of hot glue it holds better. However, you can just push the crystals onto the Epsom salt crystals onto the clay and it holds nicely as well. Once all the crystals were in place, I started coloring the candle holder and crystals in red and green so that it resembles a watermelon. And I also used gold color to highlight the crystals on the outer edge. I changed the dark green color to lighter teal color because I think that was looking really dark. So I preferred this teal color, it looked more vibrant with the pink crystals. And once everything was done, I let it dry. Finally, I took a small tea light and painted it in red color, and with the help of black acrylic paint I made small seeds that resemble the watermelon seeds, and this is the candle that I'm going to use for the candle holder. I just put it inside the candle holder and it looks so cute. And this is how my watermelon inspired geode crystal candle holder is looking. Absolutely gorgeous, looks really great on the tea table or the coffee table, and very unique also. Today I'm participating in the miniature DIY challenge hosted by Corie from Crafted by Corie, and she is absolutely amazing in creating DIY content. Her channel is full of amazing DIYs and amazing creative content. I have mentioned her channel down in the description box below. You definitely need to check it out, and also I've mentioned the playlist that you can check out for the other creators who have created miniature DIYs too. So let's move on to the second DIY. For the second DIY, I made an ice cream cart, and for that I took an iPhone cover and covered it from all the sides, and then decorated it with some colorful paper on the edges like so. I glued a small styrofoam pillar-like structure on top, so that this is the place where most of the ice cream contents can be kept. And then to make the handle of the cart, I glued some popsicle sticks like so, and also I used popsicle sticks to make the pillars of the cart, and I glued them on all the four sides like so. For the roof of the ice cream cart, I took a cardboard and covered it with some fruit wrap, and then I covered it with glitter foam sheet on all the four sides, so that everything is intact. And then I glued this roof structure on all the four pillars that I just made. To add more details to the ice cream cart, I had this little toy soft serve with me, and I colored it in pink chalk paint, and then I put a small floral vase at the base to make it look like the ice cream cone, and then I glued the soft serve cone and at the top of the roof. Finally, I gave the finishing touches to the ice cream cart with painting the pillars and other structures in pink chalk paint, and then I placed all the letters with the name ice cream and all the small miniature embellishments that I had for ice cream and other treats. I placed them on top of the cart, and finally, to add wheels to the cart, I had this old toy, and I glued this toy to the base of the cart that I just made. And this is how my adorable miniature ice cream cart looks. Absolutely adorable. Let me know in the comment section how you like this. This is one of my favorite DIYs for today. And for the last DIY, I made a really easy to make and simple DIY canvas board out of popsicle sticks and canvas paper. I glued popsicle sticks like so to form a canvas board, and on this I can keep the DIY canvas that I'm going to make. To make the canvas board, I took a cardboard and wrapped it with canvas paper on all the four sides and glued all the four sides together. And once it was completely dry, then I wrote my favorite quote along with a lemon slice that I had, a kind of lemon sticker I would say, and I glued it on top and wrote my favorite quote, "Be zesty." I think this is a very simple but unique quote, so I just wrote it on top, and this is how my mini canvas board looks. And this is how my 3 of the miniature DIYs turned out, which were absolutely summer inspired. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you love this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye and take care.